What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Today's video is going to be a fall inspired makeup look, the one I'm wearing right now. I'm so ready for fall. It is hot as heck still here in Las Vegas, so I'm impatiently waiting for it to cool down. Okay, no more of these triple digit heats. I'm over that. We good on that. We can have enough of that. Okay, fall needs to come in. It needs to get on to the 70s, 60s. Put on my jacket and these gorgeous browns that we working with today, and keep it moving. Ooh, bye heat. But anyways, if you guys are interested in seeing how I came up with this look, then please keep watching. In the meantime, subscribe down below, give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to follow me on my socials, which will be listed in the description box. And yeah, let's get into the video. All right, guys, so the base has already been completed. And if you're interested in what I use for my base today for my foundation, I use the NYX Born to Glow foundation. That'll be this baby right here. This is in the shade Mahogany. I just want to give a quick shout out to this foundation. It is actually very nice. It did exactly what I needed to do. Not too much coverage because I'm not really interested in full coverage. Not right now anyway, because it's gonna turn fall here, and like I said, I'm very dry and worse in the wintertime. So the fact that this foundation isn't a full coverage, that I don't believe it is, that works pretty good for me. If you're looking for lighter coverage, maybe you're just going out really quickly and you just want to throw something on to even out your skin tone, the NYX Born to Glow I think is pretty good. For my concealer, I have this Neutrogena concealer. This is in the shade Toffee Medium 3. For my bronzer, I did the Mented Cosmetics in the shade Vacay. For my blush today, I of course went into my Luna Beauty palette. Yep, the Moon Prism blush palette. For my highlighter today, I did the Master Chrome. This is in the shade Molten Gold. All right, let's go ahead and get into these eyes. Today I want to do a fall look. I probably already mentioned that. A falling into fall look, I suppose. And so I'm going to use my Baked Browns by Dose of Colors. I got this in a BoxyCharm box a century ago. And yeah, I may even dive into this LA Girl Pro Artistry palette. I just actually recently picked this one up, and I'm interested in taking a look at her. I believe this palette's been out for like couple centuries and I'm that late, but look at these colors. They are absolutely gorgeous. Anyway, I might be diving into this gold color right here on the end. We'll see. All right, let's go ahead and get into the eyes. Now, I know what I want the look to look like. I just don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it. So let's start with Outdoorsy. That'll be this shade here in the middle, and just go from there. I already primed my eyes with my concealer, and let's go. Alrighty, so this is what Outdoorsy looks laid down. I hope you guys can see that. It's quite lighter, but a little deeper in person, and deeper than I originally thought it would be. So I'm happy about that. So now I'm just gonna go in with the next color, and it's gonna be Cherry Wood. So it's gonna be this reddy color right here. I'm gonna put this on the lid, and I really hope it don't look crazy. All right, so guys, that is Cherry Wood laid down. I believe that was Cherry Wood. Yes, it actually turned out pretty good, better than I expected. All right, once more we're gonna go in with Rock Bottom this right here, I'm gonna do that in the outer third, just a little bit, nothing too crazy. We're just gonna see what it looks like. So I'm not sure I love that. Alrighty guys, so this is where we are now. So I have to say that I added the rock bottom and I wasn't really happy with it. In fact, I thought it totally ruined the look. And so I added a little bit more of the cherry wood on top to try to save it, and I think I got it to a pretty good spot. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and line my eyes with some eyeliner. I'm gonna add some lashes, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna finish up the look with a lip. All right guys, I'm back, and I forgot to turn that light off. All right, so I'm back guys, and the eyes are completed with the exception of the inner corner highlight. So we're gonna go ahead and take care of that right now. I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl Pro Artistry palette like I mentioned before, and we're gonna hit that inner corner with this shade right here. I believe it's called Zeal. So let's go ahead and take care of that really quickly. Okay guys, so very interesting development with that shade. It is quite, I don't know what to say about this shade, but I don't know if you can see that right there. Hopefully my lights aren't too bright, but yeah, it's softly pressed, which is, you know, totally fine, but it was crumbly. So it was not my favorite to work with, but I did get it to a nice spot. I had to like work with it. I had to work with it. So yeah, I don't know about that. I'm gonna try this entire palette out to see what I think, maybe in another video, but that shade is not my favorite. But here are the eyes completed, including the inner corner highlight. And I have to say that mistake I made earlier with the rock bottom shade actually turned out very well. I'm very happy with the eyes. So despite having not loved that shade. So here we are one more time. All right, and that is it for the eyes. Let's go ahead and move on to the lip and we'll be all finished. So for my lip color today, we're gonna go with this Morphe crayon in the shade TTFN. It's gonna be this shade right here. I bought this a while ago, and I think I wore it like maybe once or twice a year or so ago and threw it in my makeup case and never looked back. But I'm bringing her out today for this look, and let's see what happens. Interesting thing about this pencil too, you do roll it up with the bottom of it. It didn't look like it would do that until I was playing around with it, and I noticed that I could do that, in fact. All right, let's go ahead and add her on. She is a matte, but she goes on really, really well. I love this pencil. All right, guys, and there you have it. This is the finished look. What do you guys think? I actually love the way this came out. Everything worked so well together, and I'm so happy it did, because I thought halfway through this video it was going to be a total fail and I was going to have to start over, and I really wasn't feeling it. But everything came together so very well, and I really enjoyed all the products that I used today. Of course, this Born to Glow by NYX is supposed to be a radiant foundation, but I'm not finding that to be the case, really. I mean, it doesn't look like besides, my highlighter doesn't look too radiant, which is fine with me. But if you're looking for something that's going to be really, really dewy, this may not be it. I'm fine with it because it's totally, I didn't want to be looking like a grease ball necessarily, but if you're looking for something that's really, really dewy, the NYX may not be the one for you. However, she's still a great foundation for us girls who are not particularly interested in heavier foundations, or what do you call that? Fuller coverage foundation. But yeah, that is it. Oh, quick shout out to, of course, the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. I did use this on my lashes today before I put on my falsies. And again, I love this mascara. I talked about it in my previous video, my current favorites. If you have not tried this mascara, pick it up. You can't go wrong. Very, very nice. All right, guys, that is going to be it for me. I'm getting up out of here. That is my time. It is late. I'm hungry. I'm going to go get something to eat. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. But before I go, please, please, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Follow me on all my socials, which are going to be listed down below. And I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Later days.